What's going on? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing amazing today. This is Taylor Swift's Love Story in under 3 minutes. We're going to do this guitar lesson super fast, and we're just, let's get right to it because we don't got any more time. Got my capo on the 2nd fret right there, which allows us to play a C major shape. So that's where the whole thing starts. We were both young when I first saw you, F major. Flashback starts, and I'm standing A minor. I'm standing there on A minor in the balcony in F major, summer air. Pretty easy. Let's go back to C. See the lights and the party ball gowns. F major, right there, and I say A minor. And little did I know goes to G this time. So that one ends on a G. And then it goes to this pre-chorus with F major. You were Romeo. You were G major. And then A minor. My daddy said stay away from C. C major again. So we've done all the same 4 chords. And I was F major. Crying on the staircase. G. Begging you please don't go. Back to A minor. And then right before the chorus it goes F major to G. Pretty quickly like that. And then the chorus starts in C again. Romeo, take me. And I'm doing this kind of driving rhythm. You can strum it if you want to. Somewhere we can be alone. G, that's G major. And then A minor again. I'll be the princess. F, it's a love story. G, baby, just say yes. And then you go into C, and it does the verse again, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. And then after the 2nd chorus, it says, baby, just say yes. And it does this, sort of like, solo kind of thing, rockin' part. And then it goes to a bridge to A minor. And I was waiting, it goes to F major, C major to G major. It does it again, A minor. This is that slow, part in the middle of the song. A minor to F major to C major to G major, and it gets real quiet. And she says Romeo, back to the chorus, back to G to A minor to F major. So it basically repeats the whole chorus from then on out, and it's just rocking. A minor, you'll be the princess. F major, G, baby, just say C major. That's it. Love Story by Taylor Swift in under 3 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was great. Like, subscribe, share, if it was helpful, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute guitar lesson with Steve. See ya.